Question number 1, first part. What will be the output? And the list is given as this one. And you have to print the list slice starting from first index to seventh index in steps of 2. So what will be the output? List content at first position, list content at third position, list content at fifth position, and list content at seventh position. But because this is the last index and this will not be included, so your answer should be written in a list form as. Next question, what is the output of following code? Here you can see you are given arrange function starting from 5 to end value 1, and default value step value is not given. What is the default step value? +1. So can you create an array starting from 5 and ending value 1 in steps of +1? No. So what will be the result? Empty array, and you have to write it as. Next question, name the Python library modules which need to be imported to invoke the following function. Here for square root function math library, and for legend function matplotlib.pyplot component. Means matplotlib is the library and pyplot is the component of the library. Next question, rewrite the following code in Python after removing all syntax errors. Underline each correction done in the code. For this type of question you have to carefully watch your code and find out all the mistakes, and then you have to rewrite your code by removing all the errors in this way. Next question, what are the possible functions to draw line chart, scatter chart? For line chart we can use plot function, and for scatter chart we can use either plot or scatter function. Next question, write the statements to create a NumPy array having 4 elements and value 5. We can use the full function in this way. Here there are two options, two arguments in this function. First argument is the number of elements, and second argument is the value inside the array elements. For second thing, 2 rows and 3 columns with size is given as 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is a 2D array, and for it you have to give the size in a tuple form as. Next question, write commands to split the following array in at least 3 ways as depicted below. Now students, look carefully what it is going to do. It is going to divide the array in vertical direction in 3 parts. So how you can write the answer in 3 possible ways? There are only 2 functions, split and vsplit, which can be used for this purpose, but in 2 different ways these both functions can be used as. Now see, vsplit function, if we will use with only 2 arguments, array name and the number of partition, it will divide the array in vertical direction. Similarly, if we use split function with 3 arguments, array name, number of parts, and x is equal to 0, means in vertical direction, both these functions will do the same thing. Now if we will write as, means instead of giving the number of partitions, if we give the list, then how it will do the partition? It will do the partition in steps of 0 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 up to last. Means 0 to 2, 0 and first row, means second row will not be included. In the second part, 2 to 4 means fourth row will not be included, second and third row will come out, and in the last step, fourth up to last means whole array will come out and the result will be shown as. So you can write any 3 possible ways in your exam.